My name is Shabbir. About a year ago, actually, I was having some back problems. I went through a chiropractic and took seek some attention with it, and it worked fine for a while. But it came about 4 months ago. I had an episode where I really was in severe pain in my back, and I couldn't move, I couldn't walk. So I sought a physician through my regular insurance, and basically gave me some painkillers and referred me for some PT and some chiropractic again. So at that point, I did some exercises and stuff and at home, and I was able to at least get over with the pain. But then about 2 months ago, basically I ended up again with the severe, and it was very excruciating. This time was really worse than the previous episode. My lower back pain actually at the time when it happened affected me to the point where I could not sleep. I was kind of bent over to walk. I could not sit at all. Technically, for the first 24 hours of that pain, when it on the onset of the pain, I was not able to function at all. Since I already had the experience going to the physician, I decided to seek some other alternative. My wife suggested to see Dr. Berkey at the Advanced Physical Medicine because she already had the Dr. Berkey and working on her health basically at that point. I came here, Dr. Berkey saw me and basically at that point took an x-ray to check for alignment to make sure everything was okay. And then he gave us a referral right away that night to go get an MRI done. And next day we sat down and we went over the MRI, which basically found 2 herniated discs and 2 bulging discs. And I chose the alternative that I felt was more suitable to fix the problem, not just the symptoms. And that's where I really committed myself from Dr. Berkey's recommendation to seek PT and spinal decompression and again alignment. So it was a course of 32 treatments. I came here 4 days a week. By the 3rd day, frankly, my pain from 1 to 10, I was down to about 6, so I felt right away positively that, hey, this is going to work. And mentally started to help me, and about a week later, 2 weeks down the road, and frankly, I start seeing the improvement right away. And I believe it's the combination of the treatment, the strengthening exercises, basically the flexibility that, for all the exercises I was doing under PT, and of course decompression, the alignment really was the key to my problem. Today I'm sitting here in front of Dr. Berkey and basically looking at myself, and I feel 99% cure from this whole process. My pain is just mild, that nothing that I can't do anything about it. I think it's just a matter of continuing my effort for long term. During this time, I actually sought my physician. He thought this would be the way to go, instead of surgery. So I think I'm on the right path. Advanced Physical Medicine has a really great way to help people solve their problems.